Hello, I'm Amy Invest. As a woman who was originally raised in Nigeria, who grew up with little or no knowledge about investment or building generational wealth, I gained my finance experience and my finance and investment experience through personal growth. And so far, I've gathered several years of experience working in corporate. I feared losing my job, supporting my family, and with a mindset of how can I build generational wealth and also how I can retire rich. The general myth about investment, like you feel you need a lot of money to start. No, I'll say start where you are. This isn't for you if you're not tired of living from paycheck to paycheck. It's not for you if you want to stay in debt until retirement. If you or it's also not for you if you do not want to leave legacy for your family or your loved ones, your wives. If and it's also not for you if you don't want to grow your money in sleep income, if you just want to keep it in savings. I'm glad you're here. I appreciate your comments and please like, share, and subscribe.